Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Grief Factor here. Today I will be reviewing the Utopia Home Galvanized Raised Garden Bed Kit. I purchased this on October 15th of 2024 and put it together here just recently. This garden bed is 6 feet long, 2 feet wide, and 1 foot high, or the metric conversion of 180 centimeters by 60 centimeters by 30 centimeters. This features an open base design, which means it's open on both sides. Here we have the instructions. And here we have the corner pieces. Here are the nuts and bolts to put it all together. And here we have the edging that goes all around the top edge once you're finished. Here we have the stabilizing brace, which goes on the top. You even get a bonus pair of gloves. Great idea if you don't want to get cuts and nicks on your hands. And here are the straight pieces. Here I'm going to be starting off putting the corners together. There's 3 to put together for one corner. You also have 5 bolts and 5 wing nuts on each rung. What's in the kit? 6 curved panels, 3 for each end. 8 side panels, 4 for each side. Pair of gloves. Butterfly wing nuts. It's showing screws here, but I didn't get screws. I got bolt heads and a proper wrench for that. They show an Allen key. I don't know what an Allen key would have anything to do with this, but it's very strange. Protective rubber edging and the middle support strip. I would say all in all, the time it took for me to build this was approximately 1 hour. I would say that's pretty good considering all the butterfly nuts and bolts that you have to tighten down. So what's the good? The good is everything was there. I did even actually have extra parts, extra bolts and nuts. There was a little bit more edging than I needed, so it fit perfectly, and everything fit accordingly. As for the bed, I would say the biggest thing about it is very flimsy compared to a set I had bought earlier this fall that was very heavy and didn't even need to have any type of brace in the center. So it all depends what you're looking for. I want to thank everybody for watching and looking at this review of the Utopia Home Galvanized Raised Garden Bed Kit, 6x2x1. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great one out there. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye now.